Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equal to 5 secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 25 secant of t square. 25 we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus 1 we change tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root. The s we have 5 secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one gone here. The s we change by this one. This one we have 25 secant of t square. 25 we can do about factorization. And this one we change tan t square. The square root of 25 tan t square we have 5 tan t. Number 5 and number 5 we have 25 tan t, and tan t we have tan t square. Next we have this formula in here. Tan t square equal to secant of t square minus 1. So now I will change this one into this one. And now secant of t multiplied by number 1 and this one. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So this one we have the integration secant of t square secant of t dt. Now we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to secant of t. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. dv we have secant of t square dt. The integration of this one we have v equals to tan t. So we have u multiplied by v, and that is about secant of t tan t minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration secant of t tan t square dt. And now this one we change secant of t square minus 1. So we have this one multiplied by secant of t and negative number 1 with secant of t. Because negative and negative we have positive. And we know that this one equals to this one. And now I will put this one go to the right. So we have number 2. When we sum two integrals together, later that we divide both sides by number 2. Next, we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration, this one I will put about negative number 25. And now 25 multiplied by number 1 and number 1 in here. So this one minus this one, we have negative number 25 over 2. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by number 5. And then you got about t equals to arcsecant of s over 5. So I will put this one to change for t. So secant with arcsecant, we have s over 5. Similar for this one. So 25 divided by 5, we have number 5. And this one we have s. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.